So one of the quarter fenders on the big yellow Kenworth got a bend in it. It has pretty long quarter fenders. I think they're 34 inch. 34 inch, but it looks like it hit something in the road. I'm going to see if I can straighten it out a bit. Obviously, I won't get it perfect, but we'll show you what it looks like and see if it can be straightened a bit. I'm going to take it off the truck to do it. I also want to see if my new Milwaukee, which, by the way, I don't get paid by Milwaukee. I've just wanted one forever. It's a 3/8. It's a 3/8 impact. And when I put them quarter fenders on, I used I believe I used a half-inch. It was a buddy of mine, a mechanic, used a half-inch impact on it. So I want to see if this will take it off. And then we'll come up here to the workbench and see if we can lay it down, at least pound it out a bit. So I'm sorry the truck's so dirty, but as you can see, it's got a pretty good bend in it. I don't know what hit. He didn't really know what he hit either. But we'll see if we can straighten it out, at least somewhat. I apologize for the truck being so dirty. I say many times we live in Pennsylvania, and it is January in Pennsylvania right now, so it's hard to keep the truck clean. Usually he waits till he heads south because he never knows what he's leaving out in. But let's see if this Milwaukee can take this thing off. Wow. Took it off like butter. I'm really loving these Milwaukee tools. Loving them. All right. Pull this off of here and put it up front. All right, so I got an old blanket here. I'll lay this blanket out because I don't want to hurt anything. You can see that's a pretty good bend there. I'll just try dead blowing it. I don't know how hard stainless steel is to bend. Well, let's see. I'm either going to make it worse or a little bit better, or nothing. Well, it's straightening out a bit, but it's not doing great. Yeah, we'll keep going. Well, at one point there, I got a pretty good blow. Almost like if you hit it exactly where it was hit originally. We'll do a couple more and see what happens. All right. Well, fixed it a bit. Seems like that edge there, maybe I could get. Just want to put like a straight edge on that. I got it fixed up here pretty good, a little bit better anyway. But I do want to see if I can straighten this edge up here a little bit. Again, I knew I wasn't going to get it perfect, but at least it's not so blatant that there was a big dent on it. Let's see if I can lift this up a bit. This thing isn't light. It's not heavy, really, but still, it's not light either. I should have thought about this ahead of time. Well, that did straighten out the edge a little bit. Like I said, it's nowhere near perfect, but again, this is, you know, winter time in Pennsylvania, so I'm gonna put it back on, and I might think about replacing it at some point. We'll see, but if I do, I don't replace anything in the winter. It's almost pointless. So I'm gonna go put this back on. I don't think I need to show you guys how to put it back on, but yeah, there we have it. Just something interesting. I wanted to see if it could be done, and yeah, it does look a lot better. I'm glad I just spent the 5 minutes doing it that it took. So well, now you know it can be done, but you're not going to get it perfect, which I know. Once something creases, you'll never get it perfect. But thanks for watching, guys.